In the heart of the Persian Gulf, where the horizon meets the desert, rises one of the most extraordinary testimonies of human ambition. The Palm Jumeirah is not just an island. It is a masterpiece of extreme engineering that has redefined the limits of global coastal construction. It all began with a bold vision: to expand the coast of Dubai by creating new land where before there was only open ocean. The goal was to maximize coastal space, creating over 50 kilometers of new beaches in a previously unused area. Before laying the first stone, it was necessary to map every centimeter of the seabed, studying currents and tides for centuries. The stability of the island depended on a deep understanding of the geological and hydrodynamic forces at play in this stretch of sea. The reclamation process was titanic. Millions of cubic meters of sand were dredged and sprayed with millimeter precision. Using GPS satellite positioning technologies, engineers modeled the shape of the palm with a tolerance of just a few centimeters. But sand alone was not enough. A process called vibrocompaction was essential to make the ground solid and secure. Every section was tested to withstand enormous loads, ensuring the island could host entire urban communities for generations to come. To protect this delicate structure from storms and erosion, an 11-kilometer breakwater was built. Composed of millions of tons of rock, the breakwater is designed to dissipate wave energy without the use of concrete or steel. Surprisingly, this barrier has become a vibrant artificial reef, attracting unprecedented marine biodiversity to the area. Strategic openings in the crescent ensure that the inner water always remains clean and oxygenated, maintaining the ecological balance. With the ground stabilized, infrastructure construction began. A state-of-the-art monorail runs the entire length of the trunk. An imposing subsea tunnel allows for fast vehicle transit, hiding the logistical complexity beneath sea level. Logistics were an unparalleled challenge. Thousands of workers and tons of materials transported every day onto an ever-evolving territory. In just a few years, the desert sand was transformed into a luxury urban oasis, inhabited by people from every corner of the globe. At the end of the crescent stands the Atlantis, a symbol of opulence that has become a global icon of Dubai tourism. New architectural additions continue to push the boundaries of design, making the Palm an open-air laboratory for modern aesthetics. When night falls, the Palm Jumeirah transforms into a constellation of lights, reflecting the vitality of a city that never sleeps. It is a place of entertainment and wonder, where technology serves to create unforgettable emotional experiences. Beyond luxury, the Palm has generated an enormous economic impact, consolidating Dubai as a global hub for innovation and real estate. It has proven that with a clear vision, it is possible to create value from nothing, transforming the sea into an infinite resource. The future poses new challenges, from environmental sustainability to protection against rising sea levels. The Palm Jumeirah continues to evolve, integrating green technologies to become a model for sustainable offshore development. Behind every stone and every grain of sand is the work of thousands of brilliant minds who have collaborated across every national border. It is a celebration of human determination, proof that no natural obstacle is insurmountable for collective creativity. Looking at the Palm today, its geometric precision seems almost a miracle of nature rather than an artificial work. Every corner tells the story of a perfect balance between land and water, between form and function. The island has become a pilgrimage site for anyone seeking the exceptional, an attraction that defines 21st century tourism. Millions of visitors every year carry with them the story of an experience that defies reality. For those who call it home, the Palm offers a lifestyle unique in the world, suspended between urban comfort and the serenity of the sea. Living here means dwelling inside an icon, surrounded by a design that anticipates the future. Attention to detail is present in every element, from the breakwater rock blocks to the finishes of the most modern buildings. Beneath the surface, a technological nervous system manages every need of the island, making it a floating smart city. Innovation never stops. New projects and continuous improvements keep the island at the forefront of progress. What has been learned here is paving the way for new artificial islands and floating cities around the world. In a changing world, the Palm Jumeirah remains a symbol of hope and adaptability. It reminds us that our only limit is our imagination and the will to turn it into reality. The legacy of this project will last for centuries, telling future generations the story of a people who challenged the sea. It will remain as a monument to the symbiosis between man and environment, a new land born from determination. The Palm Jumeirah, where the impossible has become everyday and where the future has found its home. A vision that continues to inspire the world, one grain of sand at a time.